Hi, Mrs. Wolk's class. Mr. Bray here, your old specialist teacher. Now you all have moved on to your next special. Hope you guys are having so much fun. I want to make this quick video to give you an update on our coding challenge. So from the very beginning, when you first came to class, we worked in a coding program called Codable, our little fuzzball friends. So it actually keeps track of all the lines of code that you write while you're here. So what I did was I made a class total. I have our top 5 coders for Mrs. Wolk's class, and then I took a picture of our bulletin board outside for our friends at home who are not able to be here can see all the different classes and people who are the top coders. And you can see our day 3 students from 5th through 1st grade coded 40,958 lines together. So amazing job by all of our day 3 students. Now we're going to get to our top 5 coders in Mrs. Wolk's class. So let us begin with number 5, which was Lucas. Lucas, excellent job with 89 lines of code. Way to go, Lucas. Number 4, Noah with 93 lines of code. Noah, excellent job. Now you'll notice there's no number 3 because we had a tie, the exact same amount of lines for Braden and Hayden. Both coded 117 lines of code. Excellent job, guys. And for our number 1 coder, it goes to Emma with 169 lines of code. Emma, excellent job. What I can see on my side, Emma is in distant galaxies in our coding program. So way to go, Emma. Excellent job for everyone. As a class, we actually coded 1,648 lines of code in the short 5 weeks we were together. So I'm so proud of you guys. We did an amazing job. And like I said, I hope you're enjoying your new special. If you ever walk by the 1st grade hallway, poke your head in and say hello. It would be so good to see you. And have a great rest of the year. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.